How many zeros are at the end of 100 factorial? If you don't know what a factorial is, make sure you check out the Basics of Factorials video that I'm going to post in the description below. Okay, so 100 factorial, we want to find how many zeros there are at the end of it. All the way up to 100. So that's 100 factorial. So we want to find how many zeros there are. So to find a zero at the end of something, we need to find what we need. The first number I can think of with a zero is going to be 2 times 5 or 10, right? 2 times 5. So basically, to have a zero at the end of something, we need 1 2 and 1 5. There's no other way we can get a zero without it already having a 2 and a 5. That's the most basic it can be. But we have a lot of 2's here. Every even number in 100 factorial is going to have a 2. So we don't really need to worry about that. We need to worry about the 5's. If we can find the number of 5's in 100 factorial, then we can find how many zeros there are at the end of 100 factorial. So 2 times 5 is 10. So now we have our first 5. It's just at 5 factorial. And 5 and 10 and 15, they all have 5's in them. So in 100, there's going to be 20 5's. But there's also going to be some 25's out there that we didn't count already because they have 2 5's in them, 5 times 5. So how many 25's are there? 100 divided by 25 is 4. Our next one is going to be 125. But we don't have any of those because it's just 100 factorial. There's no 3 5's in one number. So the answer to that is 0. So 20 plus 4 plus 0 is 24 5's in total. And if there's 24 5's, that means there's also 24 zeros at the end of 100 factorial.